This is PyQt5 running on Apple Silicon. You can pretty much tell it's PyQt5 because the message box is rectangular and the icon is to the left, whereas in 6 the box is more square and the icon is centered on top of the message. Here I'm running 2 scrolling backgrounds in a 1440 screen format plus the hats and shadows. It looks the same here as it would in 6 from my perspective. There is a limiting factor. You're not going to be able to run 10 scrolling backgrounds unless you like choppy animation. I think you'll find it's pretty useful. Here I'm just catching up on some changes that I had made earlier and fixed a few bugs. Wanted to get that across, plus adding the little menu hints on top. And that's pretty much it there. The other thing here, again, we're still in PyQt5. I made some changes, but they're not permanent. Well, they are, but they're commented out. I wired the screen items up to the shadows, so whatever transformations are happening, they're passed on to the shadow as well. It's a lot to work with. That's why I commented it all out. There's not a lot of code, and it's there to experiment with and maybe put to some good use. And that's really about it because everything else seems to be working pretty well. One other thing, I'm going to switch over now to 6 and run this again after I've made those changes, and you'll see it runs just like before. Setting up PyQt5 on Apple Silicon is pretty easy. Just have to make sure you've got the right terminal setup, especially if you want to download OpenCV Python and get your shadows up and running. And that's it.